Hello, you are welcome back to this channel once again. Thank you for clicking. Thank you for your love and your support. I appreciate it so much. So today we are going to be making fondant recipe. You want to make your cake yourself at home in your kitchen? You are just welcome. This is easy to make and you will make it very fast and easy in your kitchen. What you need is just to do it in your kitchen. Even in your dining you can do it. So we need icing sugar and gelatin. Icing sugar and gelatin. Okay, so gelatin, if you don't have gelatin, you can use white of the egg, not the yolk. Okay, egg white, but I prefer gelatin for myself. So I add water to the gelatin and put it in a low heat. A low heat, okay? You don't need to give it, like put it in a high heat. No, I put it in a low, the lowest heat, okay? So after that, I'm going to separate it to cool down. So I pour my icing sugar in a bowl. Depends on the quantity you are making. So now I'm just going to pour it. If you want to make this, just check the quantity you're making. If you're going to do big one, so depends on the quantity you want to make. So you add your gelatin gradually, easy. Don't pour it inside all, because when you pour all, you know, icing sugar melts very fast. You can mess everything up. What you just need to do is to be doing it gradually. Be pouring the gelatin gradually, okay? You see the little I put? I have to match it first because icing sugar is so light. Okay? It's so light. Thank you for your support in this kitchen. So I add little more to it, just that way, till you get your dough mixed properly. So just watch as I'm mixing the dough. So after mixing it, I separate it. I take a little bit out of it because why? I need the background to be blue. So I'm going to be designing with white. So if you want the background to be white, you know how to share it, okay? So that is just it. If you want the background to be white, you don't need to add any color, okay? So that is it. I want it to be blue. So if you're mixing it, because you put the color to it, you know colored is liquid and icing sugar melts very fast. So you just be putting icing sugar the way I am putting it this way. Just pour it at the down gradually so that it will not be sticky when you're doing it. Be using the icing sugar to rub your hand and your hand will be messed up. You see this place, this kitchen, the way it's messed up. I can decide to clean it, but I just want to do it and let it be real, guys. Let everything be real, guys. But sorry if you don't like it this way. I'm sorry. But I just have to do it the way it is, okay? So I just roll it and roll it and roll it and roll it. That is it. Any color you want. If you want red, go for it. If you want purple, go for it. If you want white, go for it. Okay, so that is just it. I clean, and that is it. If you don't want to use it on that day, roll it and keep it in the fridge or freezer. Anytime you want to use it, bring it out and just microwave it a little bit and use it. If you want to use it on the day, just use it. As you can see the cake, this is the cake. So how I design it will be coming now very soon. Expect it. Thank you. Share, subscribe, like, press the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I upload. Thank you.